Inviting a user to your workspace will form a team. Your team members can then add expenses to your workspace. To invite a user from your dashboard, tap the Invite Users icon. Then, tap Add New User. Enter your team member's email address and press Send Invite. This will be the email they use to join your workspace. If you need to delete an invite, tap the invited email and press Delete Invite. Team members can join your workspace through the link in their email or by tapping Get Started in the app. With Get Started, they'll enter their invited email to go through account creation and verification. After they join your workspace, you'll see your member list updated in real time.